Hello, my name is David Graham. I'm the BMW Genius here at D. Patrick Motoplex in Evansville, Indiana. And today I'm going to be explaining to you how to operate the drop-top convertible and also how you can set your programmable radio buttons. One of the cool things about BMW's convertible tops is at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, you can both raise and lower your tops like you just saw me doing when I was rolling up. The convertible top switch is located directly below the iDrive, and it takes about 22 seconds for it to fully open or fully close. You can also raise and lower the convertible top on your BMW using your key fob. What you want to do is press and hold the unlock button to lower the top and press and hold the lock button to close the top. As you can see here on this particular BMW, there are 8 memory buttons up here. These are all individually customizable. Now these are not just limited to strictly radio stations. You can save a navigation destination, or if you have your phone Bluetooth, you can also save a contact that you frequently call. You can also save a menu item that you frequently adjust. If there's a setting that you are constantly changing, you can also save that as a hotkey up here. And if you run your finger across here, you'll notice that you can see a preview of what each individual button is assigned to. Currently, there are no assignments for any of these buttons. Now, if you want to save something to a programmable memory button, it's very easy to do. What you will do is say, for example, a radio station. If I wanted to save this XM Preview Station 1 as my #1 preset here, what I would do is press and hold on the #1 after highlighting the station, and now it's saved up there, as you can see. And if you run your finger across there, you'll see XM Preview. To delete these, if you fill up all 8 of them and you decide that you want to make changes, what you will want to do is press and hold on the #1 and the #8 for several seconds there, and then it's going to pop up with a menu item asking you if you would like to reset the programmable memory buttons. So then what you would do is take the iDrive controller, slide up to OK, and press down on OK, and then it's going to clear out any of the presets that you have saved. Once again, my name is David Graham, the BMW Genius here at D. Patrick Motoplex in Evansville, Indiana. If you have any questions about your BMW, feel free to stop by and see me at the dealership. You can also view our entire inventory online at dpatrickbmw.com.